Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 render image has been arrived, which pretty much confirmed the design of the upcoming Z Flip 4. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you already know that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 are going to be the two devices that Samsung is expected to be bringing in the month of August. To be honest, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be a device that is going to be more attractive to the user. Not only that, it have a foldable mechanism, but also its price is going to be lower in terms of foldable devices when we compare it to the other foldables coming from different companies. And since from last 3 weeks we are hearing multiple reports about the spec sheet and design of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4, and today we have got another render images coming from OnLeaks in the collaboration with 91 Mobiles. According to that leak, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be having a similar design and similar hinge and similar folding mechanism just like its predecessor. You are also going to see the similar outer display as well. Although the outer display in some leaks pointed out that we might actually see 1.9 inch or at least 2 inch of outer display that is going to be a little bit bigger than its predecessor. Also, the back panel is coming with a new color options, which is a light blue. Other things like the front facing camera is going to be same. It's coming with a 6.7 inch of a display, which is also going to be same as the Z Flip 3. A single speaker, a Type-C port and a noise cancellation mic. On the right side you will be seeing a power button which also functions as the fingerprint scanner. Internally, the device is expected to be coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor, which is going to be 10% faster and more energy efficient than its predecessor. And the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be having a big upgrade, that is in terms of its battery. Instead of having a 3400 mAh battery, you are expected to see a 3700 mAh battery capacity this time around for the Galaxy Z Flip 3. So honestly, this is going to be a big improvement in terms of Z Flip 4. Unfortunately, we don't know about the camera sensor, and looking at that render images, you will be obviously notice that dual camera system is going to be coming for the Z Flip 4, and I believe that this is going to be the same sensor which we have seen in the Galaxy Z Flip 3. It's clear that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have an aluminum frame and a glass back. And guys, I have already talked about the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which render images has been arrived courtesy to OnLeaks. So definitely check that video as well. Its link is in the description and in the cards. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 4? Are you excited? Thanks for watching. Peace.